Hi, this is John Ferrara, the CEO of Nimble, and I'd like to talk to you about the value and power of relationships and their ability to help you achieve your business goals in life. I want to start by talking about how we manage relationships today and how important these relationships are to our business success. I like to say that people like to buy from people they like, know, and trust, and you need to earn that intimacy and trust over time. In the old days, we did that by going in somebody's office and looking at their walls. Today, we connect on whatever channel is most effective for our customers. And today, they're using a variety of channels to make their business and buying decisions. And yet, our tools haven't really evolved. Neither our contact managers or our CRMs for the new way that relationships are built and the way we communicate. We communicate not just in email anymore, but across a wide variety of channels. And that I think that our contact managers and our CRMs are broken. We work for our CRMs, they don't work for us, and we have to go to them to use them. That's why CRMs fail. There's more than 225 million global businesses, less than 1% use any CRM. And the reason they call it Salesforce, you have to force salespeople to use it. I think that today, in order to try to solve those problems, many sales and marketing teams are buying dozens of tools for their salespeople in order to be effective at connecting and closing customers. This includes sales intelligence, email tracking, sales enablement, a variety of tools. But even after buying all these tools for the sales reps, they don't use them because they're too complex and they don't talk to each other. Today, most of your salespeople's time is wasted. Imagine if they could engage more effectively everywhere they worked. That's why we built Nimble, the simple, smart relationship platform that works for you by building itself from the data you already have in your business, Office 365, G Suite, Gmail, contacts, calendar, and communications, and then unify that with your social contacts and conversations, in addition to over 100 SaaS business apps, enabling Nimble to either be your social sales or marketing system or work within your existing ones. I think that's one of the reasons why Nimble has been recognized globally as a pioneer in not only social CRM and social selling, but in modern relationship management and engagement. And we've also been rated that way by our customers and by the market at large. Let's take a look. So today, relationships are built by the contacts that you're connecting to, the conversations you're having in email, and the activities that you're driving from those conversations. Yet when you go to a contact record in Gmail, G Suite, or Office 365, there's no context and insights. Email and calendar are not linked to the contact record. And so when you go to a contact record, you don't know the history of interactions that you and the team have had, and you don't know who they are and what their business is about. So you have to Google those people and then go log that inside of your CRM, whether you're using something like Salesforce or Dynamics CRM or things like NetSuite. All of those systems only have the information that your salespeople type in. And generally speaking, sales reps don't type in data. And even if they did, the data would change so rapidly that the system would be inaccurate. And so that's why we built Nimble, the first CRM that automagically works for you by unifying your contacts, your communications, and your activities into a singular record and enrich it with people and company information by mapping their identity on the person and the company, bring the data down, and then automatically building a dossier that tells you who they are, where they're from, where they work, where they went to school, what they're influential in, including these auto tags, which help you to segment it, including the history of conversations that you and the team have had. And then we work back inside the places that you live, inside your inbox. So all you need to do is add Nimble into your Office 365 by adding the add-in. And Nimble will then automatically be available. Whenever you open up a record, you'll see the context and insights on that contact, including their background and including the history of interactions that you and the team have had. We do that not just inside of the email inbox, but we also do it inside the calendar, as well as we do it inside the contact record itself. And so we do that inside of Gmail and G Suite. Here you can see me opening up an email from this contact. And the best thing that this delivers is not only the context and insights of the history interaction, but the ability to take action. Because I think that most communications require some type of follow-up and follow-through. And the reason why they don't do it is they have to go back to the CRM to do it. One of the other interesting things is that Nimble works with inside of the other business apps. So not only will we synchronize your CRM, your sales, your marketing, your social, your email contacts into Nimble and enrich them and keep them up to date, but then we'll work back inside the CRM or outside the CRM, enabling your sales reps to go ahead and build these beautiful records for people automatically. So if I wanted to prospect this person, Jeffrey, not only would Nimble be able to build a record for Jeffrey, and the way that works is you just hover on the URL here, and then Nimble will go ahead and build the record, but it'll also find the contact info. So Nimble has sales intelligence prospecting capabilities that will automatically give you the email, the phone number, the address, everything you need to connect, and anything you put into the Nimble sidebar here will end up back inside of your CRM. So we can synchronize back inside of whatever CRM you're using so that your sales reps can prospect smarter everywhere they work, including inside of a Forbes article. And then automatically anything that they do ends up back inside of the CRM, freeing them up to connect and communicate wherever their customers are having conversations. So if somebody's having a conversation with me or about me, I can bring Nimble up to bring up that record, which is an amalgamation of contacts from Office, G Suite, their CRM, etc. Nimble synchronizes with over 100 different SaaS business apps, including the common email, contact, and calendar that you're using on a daily basis. That's a little summary about how Nimble can either be your social sales and marketing system or work inside of your existing social sales and marketing systems, giving you the ability to get context and insights on contacts inside of the places that you're working on the customer, as well as everywhere you're working. I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck and good selling.